the property tours this Saturday, which was terrific.
It really is the whole story from soup to nuts. And
It just opened up my vision bigger.
It provided the confidence. I mean, because we were working on things on a weekly basis.
3 different places, working our own worksheets on our guesses and what we think we should fix and not fix, and then have Chris tell us how wrong we are. And
no, I didn't do that.
I'm just kidding.
I was challenging you.
I think I was the closest on it. I'm just kidding.
Oh man,
But I'm not competitive.